Good afternoon, children. After a long and impatient wait, our country will witness its strong and skilled contingent take part in 18 sporting events at Tokyo Olympics. Mary Kom, the six-time boxing champion, and Manpreet Singh, men's hockey team captain, to be India's opening ceremony flag bearers, and Asian Games gold medal winner wrestler Bajrang Punia at closing ceremony will be the flag bearer. The Indian contingent will have around 201 members, which will include 126 athletes and 75 officials. Tomorrow, the opening ceremony of Tokyo Olympics 2021 will take place at newly built National Stadium in Japanese capital. The live broadcast of Tokyo 2020 will be available on Sony Sports Network and Doordarshan. The opening ceremony for Tokyo 2020 will start from 4:30 p.m. according to the Indian Standard Time. The sporting events during Olympics 2020 can start as early as 5:30 a.m. as our Indian Standard Time. The medals are made from, as you know, recycled electronics, 5,000 gold, silver and bronze medals sourced from all over Japan. The medals symbolize the energy and diversity of the athletes. The design of the medals also represent the Japanese culture. On 23rd July, that is tomorrow, Indian athlete Deepika Kumari will represent women's individual rankings round at 5:30 a.m. and Indian athlete Athanu Das, Pravin Jadhav and Tarundeep Roy will represent men's individual ranking round at 9:30 a.m. So, we wish all our athletes to win more gold for our country. Cheer for India. Thank you, children. Jai Hind. Dear children, let us start today's session with addition and subtraction of fractions continuation. Okay, children, in last class we have done the sums on addition of fractions. So, how to do the addition? As you know that first there is unlike fraction given. You can't add unlike fraction. So what you have to do? You have to convert into like fraction, then you can add. So to convert into like fraction, what we have to do, children? We have to take the LCM of denominators and then convert this unlike fraction into same denominators as the like fractions and then add the like fractions. You get the addition of the given fraction. Next, in the same way, the subtraction. Let us subtract unlike fractions. So 3 by 5 from 7 by 10 are unlike fractions because denominators are different. So how you do is, first you have to take the LCM of denominators 10 and 5. That is, LCM of 10 and 5 is 5 2s are 10. Then take the first fraction 7 by 10. Make the LCM and the denominator same. So 10, how many are 10? 10 ones are 10. So multiply numerator and denominator by 1. So 7 by 10. Next fraction is 3 by 5. So here make the denominator as 10. So 5, how many are 10? 5 2s are 10. So multiply numerator and denominator by 2. 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. Here you can see, children, we have like fractions. Then subtract the like fractions. As denominators are same, subtract the numerator. So 7 minus 6 is 1 by 10. Already we have done these sums in the last session. Children, many are writing only the notes. Please don't write only notes. Watch the video, understand the concept, then you write the notes by your own, because these chapters are very important, which will be continued in class 6th and class 7th. So be careful, watch the video and then you prepare your notes by your own. Next, let us solve some more sums on subtraction in worksheet number 4. As you know, 1 by 2 minus 3 by 8. By seeing only you can understand these are the unlike fractions because denominators are different. So we can't subtract directly the unlike fractions. So what we have to do? We have to take the LCM, then we have to convert into like fraction. So LCM of denominators 2 and 8, that is 2, 8. See children, both are the multiples of 2 table. So you can directly write what is the LCM. The bigger number is the LCM, that is 8. Or you can do it 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 1s are. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So what is the LCM here? 8. Now children, consider the first fraction 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, here we have denominator 2. You make it as LCM 8. So how it is possible? 2, how many are 8? So 2 4s are 8. So multiply numerator and denominator by 4. 1 4s are 4. 2 4s are 8. So you got 4 by 8. Next consider the second fraction 3 by 8. So 8, how many are 8 children? 8 1s are 8. So multiply numerator and denominator by 1 by 1. So now multiply numerator 3 1s are 3, 8 1s are 8. You can see these two are now like fractions with the same denominators. Now you can subtract, that is 1 by 2 is converted into 4 by 8 minus 3 by 8, which is equal to, now as we have same denominators, subtract the numerators. 4 minus 3 is 1 by 8. So you got the answer 1 by 8. Next, consider the second fraction 4 by 1 minus 3 by 8. As you can see, the given part is a unlike fraction with 1 and 8. So where is then LCM of 1 and 8 is automatically 8 only, because there is only 1. So you can see, find the LCM of 1 and 8. So here start with 8 only you can do, or you can start with 2. So 2 4s are 8. 1 will be the same. 2 2s are 4. Next 2 1s are 2. So 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So what is the LCM children? 8 is the LCM. Now consider the first fraction 4 by 1. 1 how many are 8? Because LCM is 8, no? 1 how many are 8? So 1 8s are 8. So multiply numerator and denominator by 8. 4 8s are 32 by 1 8s are 8. Now LCM and denominators are same. Next consider the second fraction 3 by 8. 8 how many are 8 children? Yes, so 1. So multiply numerator and denominator by 1. 3 1s are 3. 8 1s are 8. So you got now LCM as 8 and denominator is also 8. These two are now like fractions. You can subtract now. So that is 32 by 8 minus 3 by 8. As denominators are same, subtract the numerator. So 32 minus 3, which is equal to 29, which is improper fractions where numerator is greater than the denominator, but 29 cannot be split. So you can write it in the mixed form, children. These two are not divisible by same table, so you can write it in the mixed fraction. 8 how many are 29? 29 will not come in 8 table, but you can take less than 29. That is 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 5 is 29. So you can write 3 of 5 by 8. Now the given question is in mixed number. So what you have to do? First convert into improper. So 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. So that is equal to 17 by 4 minus 3 by 8. Now you can see both are unlike fractions. So first take the LCM of 4 and 8. As you know, 4 and 8 comes in the multiple of 4 itself. So now 4, 8. You can do the LCM. So start with 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Now you can see what is the LCM. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. I told you as 4 and 8 are the multiples of 4, which is the bigger number, that will be the LCM if both are multiples of the same table. So then 8 is the LCM. Next, consider the first fraction, 17 by 4. 4 how many are 8 children? 4 2s are 8. That is, now multiply numerator and denominator by 2. Now take the numerator, 17 2s are 34, 4 2s are 8. Next, consider the second fraction, 3 by 8. 8 how many are 8 children? 1s are. So multiply numerator and denominator by 1. So multiply the numerator, 3 1s are 3, 8 1s are 8. Now this is converted into like fraction. Then you subtract 34 minus 8 minus 3 by 8. So now what you can do is you can subtract as denominators are same, subtract the numerators. So which is equal to 34 minus 3 is 31 by 8. So you can write it in mixed form also children. That is 8 how many are 31? We don't get 31. So 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. So 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 7 becomes 31. 24 plus 7, yes. So which becomes 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 7 is 31. Next number is, both the questions are in mixed number. First convert into improper. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 4 is 19 by 5 minus 10 2s are 20. 20 plus 1 21 by 10. Now find the LCM of denominators 5 and 10. You already know how to find the LCM. If 5 and 10 are the multiples of same table, then bigger number will the LCM, that is 10. I'll show you how to find this. 5 and 10. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. Next 2 1s are 2. So which is the LCM? 5 2s are 10. Next, first consider the first fraction. 5 how many are 10? 5 2s are 10. So multiply numerator and denominator by 2. 19 2s are 38 by 10. Next, second fraction is 21 by 10. 10 how many are 10 children? 1 by 1. 10 1s are 10. So 21 1s are 21. 10 1s are 10. So now you converted into like fraction. You can subtract now. That is 38 by 10 minus 21 by 10. As denominators are same, subtract the numerator, that is 38 minus 21, which is equal to 7 and 1. 17 by 10. You can write it in the mixed form also children. That is, in 10 table, 17 will not come. So less than 17 is 10 1s are 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. So you can multiply and then add and you can find the answer also. No problem. 10 1s are 10. 10 plus 7 is 17 by 10. Next, remaining two sums, take it as assignment and do it by yourself so that you will better understand the concept. Today's concept of subtraction. If you do it by yourself, then you'll understand that how much you understand this subtraction concept. Now let us solve some more sums on word problems. That is, word problems are the example sums which are in our real life. So here Anjali spent 1/5 of her pocket money. So 1/5 of her pocket money on comics. So she purchased 1/5 of her pocket money on books and 3/4 on sweets. How much of her pocket money did she spend altogether? So if I give 10 rupees, okay children, not 10 rupees, so we will take 20 rupees. If I give 20 rupees children, so 1/5 of 20 rupees is how much? 4 rupees. Okay, 1/5 of part means that is 5 ones are 5 fours are, that is 4 rupees. So 4 rupees she spent on comics book, purchasing comics book, and she spent 3/4 on sweets. So 4 ones are 4 fives are, that is 5 threes are 15, and 15 rupees she spent on sweets. So now we have to calculate what is the total amount she spent. That is 19 rupees she spent. For example, this is not the actual word problem. Now we will solve the actual word problem. Now you can write amount spent on comics, or you can write money spent also, okay, which is equal to 1/5, no, and amount spent on sweets, that is 3/4. Now we have to find out total amount spent. All together means total means we have to add. So 1/4 plus 3/4. As you know, this is unlike fraction. We can't directly add the unlike fractions. So first take the LCM of denominators, that is 5 and 4 is, both are different multiples, so you can write 5 ones are 4 remains the same. Next you can find 4 ones are 4. Now is 20. So now the LCM is 20. So here you can find 1 plus 5. Now 1/5, which is equal to, consider the first fraction 1/4, 5. So 1/5, 5 how many are 20? 5 fours are 20. So now you can do 1 fours are 4, 5 fours are 20. Next consider the second fraction 3/4, that is equal to 3/4. 4 how many are 20 children? 5s are. So 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20. Now you can add because these are like fractions. So that is, what is the given actual question? 1/5 plus 3/4, which is equal to 4/20 plus 15/20, which is equal to, now as denominators are same, add the numerators. So 19/20. This is a proper fraction which cannot be converted into mixed fraction. So 19/20. Now you can write, therefore, because it is a word problem, you have to write the statement. Therefore, amount or total amount spent by Anjali altogether is 19/20. Is it right, children? The same concept we are applying on word problems, real life problems. Okay.